Alright guys, let me welcome you really warmly. I've got something really cool today for you to watch. I'm gonna unbox an electric bike, motorbike, bicycle. Well, it looks like a bike, like a motorbike, so stick with me and we're gonna check it out together. Alright, it just arrived today. Well, this is quite heavy. In total, in fact, this weighs around 40 kilos. I don't know why it says keep the package for 30 days. Oh guys, I hope you like my new shoes. This is also from Temu. As you guys know, it packed rather like a bicycle than a motorbike. Motorbikes come in crates with some solid framework. In this case, it's just like a bike. Now for the details, the small details. This is the lamp, guys. I hope it's well packed. Oh yes. It's like a bike motorcycle lamp, guys. It's really heavy. It's not like a bicycle lamp. Check it out. Really cool. And it's got a cable we need to connect up to the bike. So, really cool looking. to use this automated pump to pump up the bike. All right, let me just check how many bars it needs. Okay, on the tires it says max 2.1, so I'm gonna put 1.9. So all is ready. Perfect. I think it actually pairs up with your Bluetooth, but I'm not gonna do it now. Here's the counter, as you can see. Let's take a seat. Perfect.